Hello, this is JD with Wood in the Wind. How you doing, YouTube? Alright, now I've been doing a few things. I've taken one of those, I've been building these square jack-o'-lanterns, and I've been using a scroll saw blade for my jigsaw here. I haven't been using an actual scroll saw, so there's very limited in what I can do with it. But I've actually done pretty decent on doing a few things here, I think. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, what do y'all think of that stuff? Let's see here. Got a little wolf there howling. That one was not that easy. The witch was the easiest one. The wolf was pretty difficult. The house, not so much. I had a felled one. Okay, I had a felled one that I did, and it failed because the jaw ended up breaking off here. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this with the jig. There we go. Yeah, right there. Broke that off. But yeah, so I didn't do so good there. Now let me shut this garage door down and turn the light out. I've already got light on here, so I think that looks pretty good. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Now what I've done for that, and I used 2x4s and 2x6s. And cut them down with this. Slice them down where I need them. Like that one's a little thicker than where I wanted them. Like that right there. And then flipping them over and getting the rest of it. With the 2x6s, I couldn't get it all the way through. It only went to about to there, as you can see, and to here. So what I did with that is I took a chisel and I broke it and broke the two pieces in half, and then I chiseled this down to where I could utilize it, and this side would go on the inside. Alright. Now you gotta be careful on that because you can't, and it can get that bad. It can get worse than that actually. I've had one that was almost all the way through the breakout was. So on that, unless of course you shave it down with something else, but I didn't have anything else really to shave it down with, so I just did that way. Sorry, I'm hot and sweating out in my shop, but like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll be back again with another video, hopefully something different than this. But this is what I'm concentrating on right now because we have a picking on 59 thing coming up, and I'm going to try selling as many of these as I can. So thank you very much. Have a good weekend. Bye.